Andrew Dye here, Unity Homes. I just arrived at the site of a Unity Xyla project in the Hudson Valley. It's about 2 hours north of New York City. I was passing through and thought I'd stop by to do some videotaping, maybe take some photos, but it's not looking very promising. I'll see if I can get into the house. So we got a little bit of a break in the rain here. I'm going to try and scoot around the house real quickly. You can see the standing seam metal roof that's been put on, and there's lap siding. This is a Xyla that was actually put on a full foundation, which is kind of unusual for Xylas. Generally they're on slabs. I'm starting to get really soaked. We provided the front entry porch as part of our shell package. The builder would have insulated the foundation with that lighter colored insulation. Then we put the shell package up, including the first floor framing, because this is going on a full foundation. And then the builder fills in with that insulation against the rim joist, bringing it up to under the wall panels after we've installed the shell. So look at the back side. The grade will be brought up some, and then there will be stairs coming out from those double doors and from the doors at the back of the connector and the door at the back of the garage. You can see at the gable end there's going to be a bulkhead door installed for access to the basement. This was a Unity shell package that we put up a few months ago, and so we put the floor framing panels down and the exterior walls. This is a Xyla style home that happens to have insulated roof panels on the roof and this timber structure, this timber ridge wall to support the roof panels. There are two versions of roof framing that we offer for the Xyla. This is the one with the timber ridge wall and insulated roof panels, and the other one would simply have trusses that would run straight across from top plate to create flat ceilings inside the Xyla. This space that I'm standing in here now is the open vaulted kitchen, dining, living area. The kitchen's going to be over there by those two windows, and I'm standing here in what's going to be the dining room living area. At that end of the house, we've got a primary bedroom. Those two far windows are in the primary bedroom, and between myself and the bedroom is a full bathroom. There's this hallway here that leads from the open public space to the bedrooms. Here on the left will be a bath, and on the right is going to be a storage closet here. Moving down the hallway, we've got this primary bedroom with the double door. And that's to the bathroom. Looks like it's going to get a pocket door, hence the wide opening. You can see that there's vaulted space here in this bedroom and in the other bedroom and in the main living area, but it's also partitioned off portions of that vaulted space, and that'll just be mechanical space up above for things like the heat recovery ventilation system. We've got a closet here for this bedroom, and then moving into this second bedroom, it's a smaller bedroom, and it doesn't have a closet or a bathroom, so it's sort of a secondary bedroom. But it still has that vaulted space that is made possible by those insulated roof panels. And again, you get another look at that mechanical space that's framed off from these two bedrooms and from the main living area. We'll go back down the hallway and into the main area. I apologize that it's so dark here. So here you can kind of see that vaulted space again with those timbers. So that's going to be the dining area in that quadrant of this space. Living area over there. Get another shot here of that timber ridge wall that comes across, and then the framing up high that separates this area from that mechanical space up above. We'll take a look at the connector. I'm not sure we're going to be able to see much, but the Xyla was originally designed to be a slab-on-grade design, one-story design. And if you have a sloping site and you want a Xyla, you need a full basement because it's hard to put a slab on a sloping site. And so the way we bring stairs to the Xyla is to put them in a connector. So this is actually the doorway that goes from the main living area to the connector. You can see that doorway beyond with the plastic in it goes out to the garage. And this connector here serves a couple of purposes. There's the stairway that goes down to the basement. It's a full basement, not a walkout. So there you see those basement stairs, and the construction stairs and the framing are all part of the shell package that Unity provides. And then we've got the door going to the backyard, and then this area here is a utility space, a laundry space. There's going to be storage and a washer dryer in this part of the connector. So you'll be able to come in from the garage into this connector and then make the transition into the main living area. Again, with the kitchen over here on the left and the living area and the dining area. I'll try to get back here at some point, maybe when it's more light and it's not raining so hard, and take another look at this, because it's a nice example of a Xyla with vaulted ceilings, the insulated roof panels, the timbers. The timbers have a nice dark stain on them. Kind of a simple design, straightforward, very efficient. I think it represents Unity well, and we'll try and get back to shoot some video that you can see better.